everyone. So here I have brought the activity for teaching students fraction of collection. Once you teach them the fraction of whole and fraction of collection, you can start with the activity which we require after every exercise we do. So here is the activity. Now before activity we need to tell them the certain materials to bring. So activity is making of sandwich. Okay, so before doing the activity, we actually need to say the students to bring certain materials. So for that the teacher can send a prior notice to them regarding the materials they need for the activity. So here I have also mentioned the materials which we will require for this activity, so you may see it. Students will bring the following materials from their home. Teacher can send message 2 days prior to the activity and she can send the gentle reminder afterwards. Materials required are 4 slices of bread, 1 packet butter, 1 onion, which should be round cut. From home only the students are going to cut the onions round and they are going to bring. Same for 1 tomato. 1 tomato should be round cut, they have to cut and bring. 1 cucumber, chaat masala, salt, green chutney, which can be optional. If they want to bring, they can bring, or if they don't bring, then also it is okay. And 1 A4 size paper. So this is the pre-preparation what a teacher needs to do, and the students will bring this materials. This all materials they are going to bring it on the day of the activity. Now let us go to the day of the activity, what all things we have to do on the day of the activity. So here you have to ask the students to remove their materials. You have to maintain certain ground rules which are also called as class rules. Usually I as a teacher make a ground rule of my turn and your turn. So in my turn I speaks, that is the teacher will speak, and in your turn the students will speak. So with that I make sure that they listen to the instructions. Now teacher will inform the students that they will be making sandwich for their best friend in class, but there is a twist while making the sandwich. They will note down certain information while making. So what is that information is, students have to mention ingredients used to make sandwich with proper count. Okay, so for example, here I have given example, ST is student, I have written in short form. Students, suppose if they have brought 4 slices of bread from their home, but they have used only 2. So how they will be writing it, that bread 2/4. Okay, so this is what actually we are doing of fraction of collection, that total he had 4 slices but he has used 2. So instead of writing 2 used, he will be using fraction. That means from one whole slice of one whole packet he had brought 4, and from 4 he has used only 2. So this is 2/4. Okay, now suppose one more example I have given here. If he has 7 pieces of tomatoes, round cut tomatoes, and he has used only 3 pieces. So how he will mention tomatoes? In ingredients he will mention tomatoes is equal to 3/7. 7 is the total cuts which one tomato. You can also teach here that one tomato is a whole tomato, and that tomato has been cut into 7 pieces, but he or she has used only 3 pieces. So that you have to mention 3/7. Okay, and once they have done with this, you can, this whatever writing part is there, this they have to do it on a A4 size paper. We have, do you remember, in this we have written 1 A4 size paper. So they will write each and every ingredient, about each and every ingredient on A4 size sheet using color pens. So this is how the activity go for fraction of collection.